Here are some more common HVAC terms every beginner should know. TXV, or thermostatic expansion valve, this regulates how much refrigerant flows into the evaporator coil based on temperature and pressure. Refrigerant, this is the chemical compound that absorbs and releases heat as it circulates through the system, enabling cooling and heating. Evaporator coil, this is the indoor coil that absorbs heat from the air inside your home as refrigerant passes through it. IAQ, or indoor air quality, this refers to the overall cleanliness and healthiness of the air inside a building. This is Charlie, here to help all things HVAC related.